Siyempre pag nakita nyo yung iconic na yan, or iconic na structure na yan, at yan yung SM, alam nyo na kung nasaan tayo. Alright mga pards, we are at Mall of Asia at may pupuntaan tayong event today. Daming sasakyan. We will be attending Makina Moto Show 2026 and share natin yung experience na yan via video na ito. Interesting. So for the past months nga, province kid tayo. We've been staying sa Batangas, specifically sa Lipa. At ngayon, luluwas ang probinsyano. Medyo exciting. Tagal-tagal tayo hindi nakaten sa ganitong event. Okay. Bisita tayo ngayon. Bisita. Park tayo dyan. Doon tayo. Max. Ayun yung convention center. Sige. Park muna. Sarap magkape. Alright. Thank you Lord. Today or now, time na to ng Suzuki, 9 o'clock. So they will be presenting a new models from Suzuki for 2026 models. Yung mga tropa natin.
Good morning everybody, welcome to SMX. First and foremost, I'd like to give a special shout out to our members of the media. Thank you so much for being here, thank you for your coverage. Congratulations, 10-year anniversary. Wow, I mean, can you tell us the beginnings, how your humble beginnings, where it started?
It started basically with the channel, and then we wanted to do an on-ground event. Of course, we can't, wala naman makina without Auto Builds Pilipinas, that's how it started as well. And then ito na tayo.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Suzuki Hub. Especially to our media friends.
Cargo helmet talaga siya.
Yeah, cargo helmet.
Integrated na siya. Kaya syempre, protect na yun.
Honda Philippines Incorporated welcomes you to the country's biggest motorcycle event, Makina Moto Expo 2026.
Our fellow riders and enthusiasts, thank you for joining us today at the Makina Moto Expo 2026. Makina Moto Expo is a very important event for the motorcycle community. It brings together people who share the same passion for riding.
Introducing the Honda's first full-size electric vehicle, the Honda WM7 2026 year model. Available in graphite black.
Ruggedness with sophistication with its 451cc engine. The C1100 SC. Designed for those who do not just ride, but command. Refined by the Kawasaki Racing Team. This is a visual and aerodynamic masterclass. 2026 Kawasaki Leisure Bike Series. Together with the organizer of Makinamoto Expo 2026.
Isang milyon.
Harley boy ka talaga.
Ganda. Ayun, ganda. 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 Ano maganda? Motor. Black. Ano favorite mong kulay? Ako black. Ako black. Top of the line. Kumbaga class A. Aray ka mo!
Once again, the program will begin in 10 minutes. We are launching 2 brand new motorcycles, as well as giving away a bunch of t-shirts.
Hala, sa kwarto may... Hindi lang ako na ko niyan.
Once again, in 9
Oo, kasha. Bro, na-adjust yan bro. Yung haba.
Does anybody know the tagline for Triumph Motorcycles Philippines? What is it? What is it?
Welcome everybody. But it's another year of Triumph and Makinamoto.
Today,
two very special models. Of course, after the 400cc series, we have the middleweight triples. Let's watch this video first. Alright, you can see it's a beautiful motorcycle. Do you guys want to see the price again? Well, let's show the price once again. Kasi bibili daw si Jetlaw ng isa. One of each.
Alright, next slide. Show the price.
Okay, there we go, ladies and gentlemen.
So that was Triumph. Ano? Ayan na mga giorno. Oh. Iba talaga ang giorno. Bibili ako ng giorno kay Ay. So we have the second floor. Sa baba, karamihan mga motorcycle brands, suppliers, principals. Dito sa second floor, it's mostly mga accessories, aftermarket parts, and mga motorcycle builds. Ayan, that's a Wave 125 nung araw. And then look at this. Giorno. Puporma ka. Nagastos ka, doble ng presyo ng motor para sa accessories. Pogi, di ba? Aerox, kargado. Kargado. Wow. May bike ko. Super Veloce 1,000.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're inviting everybody to the CF Moto booth as we are about to unveil the latest additions to the CF Moto family. Grabe! Parang kaka-Indianan lang tayo dito eh, no? Welcome to Makina Moto 2026. We are here live and alive at the CF Moto booth. I know maraming fans ng CF Moto. Mga fans ng CF Moto, make some noise! Mga gusto makita yung bagong bikes ng CF Moto, make some noise! But before we unveil it, Madam, what's your name? Chanel! Okay, Chanel! Pag, naisip ka. Hindi, pag naisip mo mag-adventure, saan mo gusto pumunta at bakit?
Yung medyo delikado pero masaya.
Naku po, pakidelete ang mga yan. Delikado pero masaya. Ladies and gentlemen, huwag na natin patagalin. Bring out those cameras. Here we go. Please welcome the 1000 MTX from CF Moto. Let's go! MTX CF Moto could be yours for as low as 745,900,000 pesos only.
Alright. Gabi na. Watch out. Butas. Tara. Relate na relate sa mga 90s kids. Grabe, pati commercial, AI na rin. So that wraps up our day here sa Makina Moto Expo. Italjet Dragster 700. Alright mga pards, time check, it's 10 PM. So, it was a long night. Yeah, marami nangyari, marami nakita. Great to see familiar faces, of course, our friends sa motorcycle industry. So, that's it for today mga pards. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang video natin today. At lagi natin tatandaan, hilig mo sa kotse o sa motor, bakit ka papipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both.
Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh.
May pahabol pa akong kaibigan na nakita, oh. Ay, long day.